Hello everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So after a long time I'm talking about WAXP coin. What's the price of WAXP? What's the price changes occur in the WAXP coin? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and update videos, guys. In this video I'm talking about that what's going on, what will be the next move of WAXP. So let's start the video. First of all, guys, if we talk about the right now price of WAXP coin, so 0.282552 USD dollar, that is the right now price of WAXP coin, guys. And guys, furthermore, unfortunately, the latest situation in the last 60 minutes, the changes of WAXP coin is going negative. But guys, you know what, yesterday is a good day for all the WAXP coin holders, because in yesterday for some time WAXP coin start pumping, guys, for some time, guys. And guys, you know what, let me show you the price chart. Now, you know what, guys, now it's not a good time for all WAXP coin holders, because it's not a pumping time, guys. For pump you have to hold, you have to wait, guys, simply. Now possibilities, guys, that in the next week possibilities that WAXP coin start pumping, guys. So you have to wait for 1 week, guys. And you know what, guys, holding is very good for all of you guys. Otherwise, if you decide to sell, so you lose your money and waste, because the changes is negative, and if the changes is negative, so that means that you are in the loss, guys. Simply just hold, forget it, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.